Alright, I am Lee Grace, and I am doing my tutorial for my final here for this CIT class. And what we're going to do here is we're going to do a simple walkthrough with a little input-output. And we're going to have something set up that it can be used for passwords. It can be used just to make sure that we're getting accurate information, but we're going to set it up to where it asks the user for input and then goes back and checks and makes sure that the input is correct and the correct variables. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out and we're starting out using the idle platform, the Python IDLE, and we're going to input the variables first that we're going to go back and look for in our program, and we'll make sure to notate that using the hashtag there. And then the first variable we're going to use is I'm going to use birthdays. So we're going to put correct underscore birthday, and then we're going to put equals. And we're going to put in our quotation marks our birthday, and I'll use mine. And we'll close the quotes. And the next input we're going to use is maybe favorite food. Use favorite underscore food. And to keep it simple here, I'm going to use pizza. And then we're going to ask at the end of it. We're going to ask for the favorite food and the birthday, and then I'm going to have it output my name. So I'm going to go ahead and put my name in there in my variable section. And now we're going to actually ask for the user input now that we got our variables stated. And the first one we're going to ask for is the user's birthday. And we're going to do that with a little input. And we're going to say enter your birthday. And we're going to tell it which format we want it in. And since I listed it in the month, day, year format. We gotta make sure we close our brackets. And then we're gonna drop down and ask the user for their favorite food. We're gonna set up another input. Close our brackets again. And we're going to check and make sure that they match. We're just notating that out. And we're going to use the if statement to verify that. So if the user's birthday is equal to the correct birthday, and because we want both of these to be true, the favorite and the food is equal to the favorite food, and then we're going to tell it what to do after that. We're going to drop down, and we're going to tell it to print say print hello, and then my name there. And we're going to use an else statement to tell it what to do if we don't have a match. And we're going to say print you are not Lee. And now we will save it. We'll save our file. As a tutorial. And we'll run it and see if it worked the way we wanted it to. Alright, as you can see, it's asking me for my birthday and month, day, year. I'll put that in. And it's going to say, what is my favorite food? I'm going to put pizza. And it says, hello, Lee. We're going to run it again and see what happens if I input the wrong data. Let's say I put accidentally that my birthday is in September of 1990. And my favorite food is cheeseburgers. It tells me you are not Lee. And this is just a simple input-output using Python code in order to set up passwords or just to check and recheck your data. Thank you for watching this tutorial.